Popcorn chicken is a very popular snack in Southern China and Taiwan. It's crispy and juicy. Tastes great. Now let's see how to cook it. All materials are here. 2 chicken thighs, about 1.3 pounds. It's better to have the skin on, since the skin will be very juicy after frying. Thai basil. We only need the leaves. We can buy it from most grocery stores in USA. 2 pieces of sliced ginger, 2 eggs, 3 pieces of garlic. That's it. Cut the chicken's thigh by long pieces first. Each short side is about 2 centimeters. Then cut 2 short pieces. Each side is about 2 centimeters with the skin on. After cutting off the meat, put into a pot. Squeeze garlic and ginger. This is an important procedure. 5 spice powder, 1 small spoon, about 1.25 milliliter. White pepper, 1 small spoon. A big spoon of cooking wine, about 15 milliliter. 1 big spoon of light soy sauce. Korean barbecue sauce, 2 big spoons. So 1 and 2. Put 2 pieces of fermented bean curd on a small plate. Use a spatula to smash it. Gently, gently. Put the bean curd into the pot. The bean curd is very salty and rich, so we do not need extra salt for this dish. Stir clockwise until all of the seasonings completely mix with chicken meat. Stir about 3 minutes. It's done. Now cover the lid, wait for 15 minutes. Let the seasoning completely get into the chicken meat. During waiting, wash Thai basil. Use napkins to dry the leaves completely. Make sure every piece getting dried. 15 minutes is over. Now open the lid. Put the egg white in. So the first one. Yes. Now the second one. Stir it completely. Let every piece of the chicken meat get sticky. Put it aside. Now our key part is coming, sweet potato starch. Look, we have to use the thick one. It's so important. Pour into the bowl. You can see the solid particles. That will be the popcorn. Now get 1 piece of the meat. Take a bath. Let the meat get all covered by the starch. Swing it till no particles falling out. Try the second one. Keep on doing piece by piece. So, it's all done. All gone. Every piece of the meat is placed on the plate separately. Get a small wok, pour oil in. A little bit more. Yes. Turn on high heat. Waiting for temperature above 320 Fahrenheit. Now it's good. Put meat in piece by piece. Since temperature is high, no oil splashing out. Separate the meat. Use a pair of chopsticks to separate them. It's much easier. Stir it. About 1 minute. All meat changing the color. Now, take them out. This is the first fry. We will fry them again, so no worries. Use a small strainer to take out the falling down popcorn. Then put another portion of the raw chicken meat in. Repeat the above procedure until all the meat getting fried by the first time. During the whole process, we need to keep medium to high heat to remain the oil temperature above 320 Fahrenheit. Now heat the oil to make temperature over 360 Fahrenheit. Put the fried chicken meat in, fry again. The second time fry is to make chicken meat be more crispy. Do not become soft, even cooling down. Within 1 minute, all meat becoming golden color. Now take out. Repeat until all get fried again. Fry basil leaves, very special taste. When leaves become curly, take them out. Garlic salt, 1 spoon. Red pepper, 1 spoon. Black pepper, 1 spoon. White pepper, 1 spoon. Mix it. Spray gently. Finally, fry Thai basil. That's it. Hey, Toto, guess why milk tea stores sell popcorn chicken? Because when people smell popcorn chicken, they are drooling. A cup of milk tea is only $5. Several pieces of popcorn chicken cost at least $10. So milk tea stores can triple their sales. It's time to eat. I'll eat first.
So crispy.
What? All gone in 5 minutes?